everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. It's nice to see you.
But today's class, Sam and Pat will prepare together. And don't forget next week's competition. You both are the representatives. Wait, people. You, my partner.
Don't worry, Sam. I won't let you have that.
Girl, alam mo yan. Don't let him get into your head.
OMG, going to be quite spicy. We will spell project partner.
Kapag story ang ending.
Please, they are so competent for that.
So, it's perfect. Good na.
I already outlined your task. All you need to do is follow.
Bukas din, parang ng papa na nag-aaway.
They do agree on that, but there's still
Insay at Guy ako.
focus na lang kayo sa project ni Pamela.
Wow! Bossy ka pala.
Napapaliw na naman ako. Parang sirang nagpupuyat para sa'yo. Di ko na nagawa ang project ko, pero yung sa'yo at sa kapatid mo ginagawa ko. Kumpito seryosohin mo nga ako. Bakit lagi na lang sa tao na hindi handa? O di naman may mahal ng iba na mumula sa pinag-utang tama. Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakay.
What are you doing here? Umuulan.
Wala, gusto ko naman pag-isa. Ikaw, ano ginagawa mo dito?
I just wanted to say thank you. You pushed me to be better.
Don't let it get to your heart.
But honestly, Sam, I think I like you.
What?
Weird, no? From rivals to this.
Maybe it's not that true.
Nakilala kita sa di ko inaasahang pagkakataon.
Nakakabigla, para bang sinadya at tinakta ng panahon.
Tila agad akong nahulog ng hindi napapansin.
Pero tadhana ko'y mukhang di tayo pagtatagpuin.
Pinili
OMG, did something happen between you two? They are blushing. Is there something you're not telling me?
Bro, ano na?
Ang iyong yakap ang hanap para
di nagbabago.
Wait, of all people? Oh my God! Please, there are so competent for that.
Insay at
Buko, B, Pinong, Dinin, Ramaster, Kihop, Kim.
Kasi, tapos,
They're blushing. Blushing. There's something.
1, 2, 3, go!
we're good, bro.
Ang iyong